the third session of the Huygen's wave theory, and this is the law of reflection and the law of refraction on the basis of Huygen's wave theory. So let's start with the proof for law of reflection on the basis of Huygen's wave theory. So for this we consider a reflecting surface named xy, and suppose incident rays, parallel incident rays, incident on this surface. These two are the incident rays, and we know that for incident rays the wavefront is of this type, which is perpendicular to the rays, and let AB is the incident wavefront. So here we can write AB is the incident wavefront. Now on this AB wavefront, all the particles act as a source of new wavefront, and they start producing wavelets. Suppose the wavelets takes time t and reaches here at point C, and during this journey let the speed of wave is b, so then it has to travel vt distance. So AC, distance traveled by a wavelet in time t, is velocity into time. In the meantime, a particle which is on incident on B travels the same distance vt and reaches its wavefront, its wavelet, somewhere at the bt distance, suppose here. So we use here, we draw the vt arc of radius vt and then draw a tangent on this, and this tangent